Is your heavy-duty diesel truck stuck at a very low idle and refusing to clean out its exhaust system? You could be dealing with trouble code P02EC, which stands for Diesel Intake Airflow Control System High Airflow Detected. This is a common code on American heavy-duty trucks from Chevrolet, Dodge, Ford, and GMC. Your diesel engine uses an intake airflow control system, which is essentially a motor bolted to the intake manifold that opens and closes a throttle plate to regulate the amount of fresh air coming in. Your powertrain control module constantly monitors this incoming air using a mass airflow sensor. When a computer triggers code P02EC, it means it is detecting a much higher volume of air entering the system than it expects based on the current engine conditions. While this code is not usually considered severely dangerous to the engine right away, the symptoms will definitely get your attention. Your check engine light will come on, you might see a flashing electronic throttle control symbol on the dash, and your truck will likely suffer from a very low idle speed. The biggest problem is that this code will prevent your truck from performing a regeneration cycle. That means it will not burn off the heavy soot built up inside the diesel particulate filter, which will eventually clog your exhaust and cause a massive loss of power. The causes for this code can be mechanical or electrical. You might have an open signal wire, a short to ground in the motor circuit, a completely failed airflow control motor, or heavy physical damage to the throttle plate. To tackle this, always start by checking for any technical service bulletins, as American truck manufacturers often release known fixes for these specific diesel systems. Next, locate the motor on your intake manifold and carefully inspect the wiring harness for scraping, bare wires, or burn spots. Unplug the connector and look for any green corrosion, cleaning it out with electrical contact cleaner if necessary. If a mechanical issue caused the code, you can use a clean rag and some intake cleaner to wipe out the thick black carbon deposits behind the throttle plate, but never spray the cleaner directly into the engine, as it can cause serious internal damage. If the wiring is good and the valve is clean, you will need a digital voltmeter to check that the motor is receiving a full 12 volts of power with the key on. If testing live electrical circuits on a complex diesel engine feels overwhelming, or if you suspect you need a brand new motor that requires computer calibration, take your truck to a certified diesel mechanic. Keep that truck pulling strong, and catch you on the next repair.